How to get rid of plaque buildup on your teeth at home. In this video, I will tell you how to get rid of plaque buildup on your teeth at home. Here are just simple 5 effective tips. Number 1 is daily 3 minutes brush regularly. Twice a day. Remember that a 40 seconds scrub twice a day won't remove plaque or prevent tartar. Just use a brush with soft bristles that is small enough to fit into your mouth. Be sure to include the hard to reach surfaces behind your teeth and on your rear molars. Number 2 is, first of all, choose tartar control toothpaste with fluoride. We know that fluoride will help repair enamel damage. Some products have a substance that fights the bacteria in plaque, so use the toothpaste with fluoride to get better results. Number 3 is one of the most important things. Dental floss is the only way to remove plaque between your teeth and keep tartar out of these hard to reach areas. Number 4 is rinse your mouth daily. Use antiseptic mouthwash daily to help kill bacteria that cause plaque. Number 5 is, if you are a smoker, then please stop smoking. It is the main reason to lead to build up plaque.